ongoing thing.
Hello friends, I am Albi Job, a former student of Holy Family HSS Kattipara. Today we are going to look a short beautiful story written by Piri Thomas, Amico Brothers. It is a short story written and published in the year 1978. It is one of the notable work of Piri Thomas and it belongs to young adult fiction category and originally written in English. Before analyzing the story, we need to know about the author Piri Thomas. Piri Thomas is born on 1928 Juan Petrom Thoms in New York City. He was born as a child of a Puerto Rican mother and a Cuban father. He was an American short story writer and he also regarded as a Puerto Rican Cuban writer and also a well-known poet. He was an Afro-Latino heritage and also looks black in color. Due to this, he need to undergo racial discriminations prevailing there. Also, in his teenagers, he was involved with drug, violence and crime and he spent 7 years in prison. When he was in prison, he reflected the words of his father and mother and he realized that a person is not born as a criminal. His memoir, Down These Mean Streets, written in 1967, becomes a bestseller. This autobiography is a chronicle of his youth. Now, let us move on to the story Amigo Brothers. It is written in a third person point of view or a third person narration. Before analyzing the story, what is the meaning of the title Amigo? Amigo means a friend. It is a Spanish word. It is usually addressed by a Spanish speaking person. Here in the story, we have two characters named as Antonio Cruz and Felix Vargas. They were friends. Here, they were two close friends and they considered themselves as brothers. Now, let's move on to the plot and the settings of the story. The story takes place in northern east side of Manhattan between a building Avenue A and Avenue B. Here, there are two characters, as I already mentioned, Antonio Cruz and Felix Vargas. They were the protagonist and also the main characters of the story. Both of them are 17 years old teenagers. If we look at the appearance of the characters, Antonio Cruz and Felix Vargas, Antonio looks fair, lean and lanky and his hair always falling over his eyes. Whereas Felix Vargas is short, dark and husky. He placed his hair in natural afro style. And if we look at the similarities of the characters, both of them have a passion towards boxing and both of them dream to become world's lightweight boxing champion. They represent their own communities and both of them had 2 gold medals plus a silver and a bronze medallion. They have a collection of scrapbook which filled with torn tickets of boxing matches they attended and participated. Also, there are some clippings of their own appeared on the newspaper. After a long series of elimination, Antonio and Felix want to fight each other in a boxing match. The winner can represent the boys club for Golden Gloves Championship tournament. So the fighting between Antonio and Felix scheduled on 7th August Tompkins Square Park. After this announcement too, they continues their usual practice and they were as usual. but they sensed a wall is rising between them. Less than 1 week before the fight, in their usual practice, both of them shared their feelings and struggled to fight their best friend. So they decided to move apart, still the fight. So Felix decided to move to his aunt's house and Antonio stayed his own house. Waiting time was over. Antonio and Felix fighted on Tompkins Square Park. It is a win-win situation, and when the final bell sounds, both of them embrace each other and considered both of them as the winners of the game. Before the winner should be announced, both of them moved away in arm, and thus the story ends. Through this story, the Amigo brothers showed the real value of friendship. Now we can look at the main events of the story Amigo Brothers. Both of the characters have similarities and dissimilarities. Antonio and Felix grown up together. They are 17 years old teenagers having a passion towards boxing. Both of them dream to become world's lightweight champions. Also, they have dissimilarities. Antonio is a naturally skilled technical boxer, whereas Felix is not as much as technical as Antonio. He uses powerful sledges to oppose his opponent. Also, he uses punches against the opponent. So, in this story, we have both external and internal conflict arising here. So, the external conflict is the boxing match between these Amigo brothers, whereas the internal conflict is the wall rising between them. They feared that this boxing match may affect their friendship, and they were struggled to defeat or struggle to fight their best friend. Here, friendship is the main theme of the story. Friendship can overcome all the challenges is the message passing throughout the story. Here, positivity, purity of sports, and friendship were the main three themes throughout the story. When we analyze the theme friendship, from the title onwards, P.D. Thomas demonstrates the value of friendship. Even though they want to win and they want to become the champion, they give priority towards their friendship. That's why at the end of the game, they embrace each other and consider both of them as the winner of the game. Second theme of the story is positivity. As I already mentioned, they were 17 years old age boys. They have enough time to involve in drugs, violence, and illegal activities. But boxing prevents them to move away from all these kinds of activities and to think positive. So, from the life of P.D. Thomas, after the period he spent in his prison, he showed that a person is not born as a criminal. From that realization, he becomes an activist in New York City. So, through this story, he demonstrates that the sports have a positivity and they can prevent and serve us from all these kind of illegal activities. The third theme of the story is purity of sports. Both of them have a desire to win the game, but they give priority towards their friendship. They participated and at the end they considered both of them as the winners of the game. So, through this story, they showed the real sportsman spirit, and through this, they showed the purity of sports. So, through this story, P.D. Thomas demonstrates the value of friendship. And that's all about the story. Thank you.